All right, ready to get down and dirty with your spring cleaning. Maybe you've already started, or maybe you've been putting it off. Either way, home expert and host of House Smarts TV and Radio, Lou Manfredini, joins us to help make those chores a little less of a chore.
Yeah, right.
Sold.
Right, exactly. And, you know, we're going to start with mildew and mold because that's just what, Florida is all about.
That's what we're known for.
Right. Here's the thing that I have learned is that when you get into the cleaning aisle of whether it's the big box, the hardware store, the grocery store, it's super confusing. I'm very familiar with all of these products.
Okay. Tried and true?
Tried and true, and they're going to work.
Okay.
They're going to work. I'm going to start with Wet and Forget.
Okay.
Wet and Forget's been around for decades, and this is a product that doesn't contain any bleach. It will take care of moss, mildew, algae, you name it, on the outside of your home. That bottle you're looking at right now is their brand new Hose End Rapid Spray. Now, the idea behind this is you put it on the garden hose.
Okay.
It's concentrated. Will cover 2,000 square feet. You don't have to get up on a ladder. All that moss and mildew that's on the roof, on the side of the home, you spray it all down, safe for vegetation, and in just a few days, it's gone. No scrubbing, super easy to use.
I'm thinking every Florida homeowner needs that.
Yeah, well then I'm going to go to the next one, which is great too. This is Concrobium. Concrobium is a tried and true product as well. Their mold control product is really their bread and butter when it comes to controlling mold and mildew. Everybody goes for bleach. Okay. It's the worst thing you can use because, especially on porous surfaces, it doesn't do anything to dig in. This kills it. Their brand new product here, Duo Blast, is a 2-part stain remover. So if you've cleaned the mildew and mold, let's say it's inside a shower, it's inside the floor where the floor meets the wall, and there's staining you can't get rid of, this unique bottle actually has 2 separate little sleeves on it with the hose, with the trigger spray. You spray it, it goes on there, the stains are gone. It's amazing, and it's safe to use.
Okay, good, because again, with bleach, they tend to come back after a little bit. Okay.
I love this product. It's called Hero Clean. It was founded by a Vietnam veteran. It's a employee-owned company, and it is strong enough to clean all your gear. It was designed to clean tactical equipment like first responders. It does such a great job with clothing that you sweat in. Okay, so it has a special enzyme in it. You know how we wear a lot of that wicking fabric now and how you can't get the smell out?
Me and my mom talk about this a lot.
Well, tell your mother she can get rid of the smell with this. It smells like juniper and lime. They've got a laundry detergent. They've got pods. They've got hand cleaner and even a multi-purpose spray. They donate a portion of their proceeds to military and first responder groups. And here's the best part. They put it up against the leading detergents. We all know what those are. Yeah. Kick their butts.
Really?
Affordable. Okay.
And my husband's a farmer. I can't wait to try this out.
Oh my gosh, he's going to love it. He's absolutely going to love it.
So we have less than 2 minutes.
All right, here we go. Now, granite countertops. What do you clean yours with?
I don't know.
The wrong stuff.
I know.
The wrong stuff. This is Granite Gold, and this is a whole line of products that come from stone manufacturers. They actually build and manufacture stone, and the product got founded by the cousins there. We've got a daily cleaner, a polish, and a sealer. The number one thing that you're not doing to your countertops is sealing it. And you can do a little test on this. Take a drop of water, put it on the countertop for 30 minutes. If it beads on the top, you're good to go. If it gets absorbed into the counter, you need to seal it. You take care of any etching or any chips that might happen first. Spray this on, wipe it off. It seals your countertop. And then with the popular additive of everybody doing quartz now, they have a brand new product called Quartz Brite, which shines and polishes your tops to a luster like you've never seen. This is the stuff you should be using. Finally, that farmer, he stinks, right? Funk away.
I love him, but yes,
Funk away. This is your anti-Febreze. Okay, this has it has an OM complex in it, and the idea behind it is it grabs the odor. It gives it a big hug, and it drops it to the ground. And it eliminates the odor. They've got sprays they've got an aerosol. You can spray all your gear. Like, let's say you've got somebody playing sports, hockey or lacrosse, or they're playing baseball and their stuff smells the gym bag. You spray this on there, it eliminates the odor. This is a laundry additive. If you like your laundry detergent, but you want to take care of the smell, you add this to your wash. And then finally, they have these beads, these odor beads. You open up in a room that just doesn't smell that great. It envelops the room, grabs the odor, and eliminates it.
Okay.
It does not cover it up.
Oh, I can't wait to try that stuff. Thank you so much for coming in
welcome.
today.
You're
Obviously,
welcome.
we've been showing the websites. There they are once again to get all of these fabulous products. And yeah, have fun with spring cleaning. There's
There you
still
go.
time to get it done.
Right. I got it.
Thank you so
You
much,
got it.
Lou.